What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Gladstone Capital and the fact that I got my third dividend payment. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I've been doing some dividend type investing in regards to the stock market for a little bit of time now, probably like 6 to 8 months or so. And the thing that I'm learning about the stock market is that that's just it. I'm learning about the stock market. I'm going to be talking to you guys about my third dividend payment with Gladstone Capital, which is a pretty solid company and has a decent history of paying dividends for quite some time, which is why I decided to invest with them. There is so many different types of ways to make money in the stock market, and so currently I choose to make some money in the stock market using dividend paying stocks, and moving forward I will be doing some investing in more index funds, where maybe like it may track the S&P 500 or it may track the entire stock market. I will be doing those videos coming up in the future, but like I said, in this video I'm talking to you guys about Gladstone Capital and my third dividend payment. So I have my Robinhood account pulled up here on the screen, and so this is actually live right now as I'm talking to you guys. So as you can see, my account balance is $202,638 and some change, and this is based on right now as of the making of this video. Just to give you guys a quick overview, the last week my account has gone up $2,500 in the last month. My account has gone up $9,000 in the last 3 months. My account has gone down $725 in the last year. My account has gone up $24,000, and all time on Robinhood. This is my Robinhood account. Okay, I'm still down negative $6,000. $4,000 of that amount of money is from back when I started back here in 2016, as you guys can see. But I didn't do anything for quite some time, 2017, 2018, 2019, and then I started back up in May of 2020, which since then I've invested $206,000. So currently I'm sitting at $202,000, so I'm still down, like I said. But that's okay, because look, there was a point where I was down $63,000. This is when I was doing some day trading, which I do not advise. Day trading is not the easiest thing. It has a really steep learning curve, and I don't advise people to do that. All right, so I'm going to jump on to the next tab here, which is with Gladstone Capital. As you can see, it's currently trading for $11.52 as of right now. My overall market value is $11,719.25. Today's return is down $71. As you guys can see, my overall return is up $743, which is pretty cool. And my average cost per share is $10.79. So I don't really have any complaints. I'm up overall. And of course, I'm getting dividend payments with this particular stock. So I'm going to scroll down real quickly here, and I will click on show more. And then I'll click on dividends because I want to show you guys real quickly here. This is my third dividend payment. The first one was back in April 30th for $65. The second one was May 28th for $65.38. And then as you can see, the most recent one is June 30th for $65.75. Now, of course, they did reinvest that, and they were able to grab some more shares. Let me show you guys exactly how many shares they were able to grab with that reinvestment. Let me go back here real quick. Right here, so I was able to grab 5.73 shares at $11.47 per share. So that they did reinvest automatically because I have turned on Robinhood the DRIP, which is dividend reinvestment plan. I have it automatically enabled, and so Robinhood grabs more shares for me, and so I don't have to worry about it. So that's pretty much it. That's just a simple. This is just a simple video showing you that once again I got another dividend payment. Like I mentioned a little earlier in the video, I will be doing some more index fund investing in regards to the stock market. That's probably one of the easiest ways to make money in the stock market without having to do some serious research and worry about picking the right company. Once again, there are a lot of ways that you can make money in the market, and one of them is by investing in index funds. I will be making more videos and talking about that in the future once I set up my Fidelity brokerage account. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously, and feel free to share the channel with somebody else that will benefit from it. All right, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that's going to be it. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.